Hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. I've been trying to improve my English lately. I want to be able to speak fluently.
That's great. Have you been practicing a lot?
Yeah, I've been trying to read more books and listen to English podcasts, but I'm still struggling with speaking.
Well, speaking is the hardest part. Have you tried practicing with someone else?
No, not really. I don't know anyone who speaks English fluently.
Well, I'm a native English speaker. I'd be happy to practice with you if you want.
Really? That would be amazing. Thank you so much.
No problem. So, what kind of things do you want to work on?
Mostly just conversation practice. I want to be able to speak without pausing or stumbling over my words.
Okay, let's start with some simple questions. What's your name?
My name is Alex. What about you?
My name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, where are you from?
I'm from the United States. How about you?
I'm from Mexico.
That's cool. Have you ever been to the United States?
No, I haven't, but I'd love to visit someday.
You should come. There are so many amazing places to see.
I will, for sure. So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to students from all over the world.
Oh, that's awesome. So, you must be good at English.
I like to think so. Haha. But I'm still learning new things every day.
Yeah, me too. Do you have any tips for improving your speaking skills?
Definitely. One thing I always tell my students is to practice speaking every day, even if it's just for a few minutes.
That's a good idea. But what should I talk about?
Anything you want. Talk about your day, your hobbies, your favorite foods. The important thing is to keep practicing.
Okay, I'll try that. Thanks for the advice.
No problem. Another thing you can do is listen to native speakers and try to imitate their accents and intonation.
That sounds challenging, but I'll give it a try.
It takes practice, but it's worth it. Speaking like a native speaker will help you communicate more effectively.
Yeah, I can see how that would be helpful. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read, watch movies, and spend time with my friends. What about you?
I like to play soccer and listen to music. And I'm trying to read more books in English.
That's great. Reading is a great way to improve your vocabulary and grammar.
Yeah, I've noticed that. But sometimes I get stuck on words I don't understand.
That's normal. When you come across a word you don't know, try to guess the meaning from the context. And if you're still not sure, look it up in a dictionary. No problem. And if you ever need help with anything, just let me know. I'm happy to help. Anytime, Alex. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, Emily. I appreciate it.